Hello, FCS 2250 Computer Application Students. Word Section 3 Project Exam. Let's go ahead and get it done, you guys. Thank you for being my students, hanging out with us. Let's go ahead and get 100% on this. That's our goal, right? Let's see what we got to do. We got 8 things to do. Let's begin. And it looks like that is in landscape, so we're going to leave that there, and we're going to change the orientation to portrait, though. All right, let's go ahead and grab our answer key, and we're going to click the Layout tab right there. And we're going to go ahead and after we click the Layout tab, we got to activate that. We're going to change our orientation from landscape to portrait. And while we do that as well, I'm going to increase, I'll close my answer key here. I'm going to increase this to about 140%. And I'm going to hit my save key, and we're saved, and we'll choose next. 2 of 8, we're going to change the top margin to 1.5 inches. So we're back in our layout. We have our margins is where we're going. And we'll go ahead and click on, well, let's try this again. We'll go down to our custom margins, and we want our top to be 1.5. So I'll just type in 1.5, press my enter key there, and it brought that to 1.5 inches. If I look at my margins, you can see that I have my custom setting there. I'll hit my save key and close the answer key, and we'll move to 3 of 8. We're going to select the heading deductible options and the 3 paragraphs of text that follow the heading. So deductible options right here, as well as the 3 paragraphs below it. So again, I'm on the left margin here. I'll click and drag through those, and there's other ways to select all that. You can choose your option. Click the Home tab. Let's go back to the Home tab, and we're going to click the Cut button in the Clipboard group. Clipboard, we'll choose our Cut option. And we'll position the insertion point at the beginning of the heading Short-Term Health Plan. So right at the beginning of Short-Term Health Plan to the left of that. And we'll go ahead and paste that in. And so we just moved it with a copy or a cut, and paste. And we'll click, that's all we needed to do. We'll hit our save key, we'll close our answer key, and we're moving right along. We're going to change the position of the image. All right, so we're going to go up to the image to select it right there. We'll click on that image. You can see that we have a picture format now that appears. We need to go there. We're going to click the position button in the arrange group. So your arrange group, position button, we'll go there. And we're going to go ahead and choose the middle right with square text wrapping option. So with text wrapping option, we need the middle right, so I believe it's right there. Position the middle right with square text option. That's the one we need. Ooh, I think I might have clicked the wrong one. That's the one we need. Maybe I clicked the right one, but it kind of puts it right in the middle of the page. It wraps that text around it. Wonderful. I'll hit my save key there, and I'll close that answer key, and we'll choose next. We're going to change the width of the image to 1.1 inches. Well, I know it's going to be over here is what we're going to need. So we've got the image selected. All right, and we are in the picture format, and we are going to then go to, I think we want the image selected, click in the shape width measurement. So the shape width measurement right here. We'll go ahead and active that, and we'll go ahead and 1.1. And I'm going to press my enter key, and that changes that width to 1.1. We'll go ahead and close our answer key. We'll hit our save button a couple times to activate it, and we're on 6 of 8. We'll go ahead and load this up. We're going to click the insert tab. All right, we can do that. You know what? I'm going to click off that image though. So we'll click on our insert tab, click the page number button in the header and footer group. Header, footer, page number button, and then we are going to point to the bottom of the page option. Bottom of the page option, we're going to have more that will appear, and we're going to click the plain number 3 right there, put it in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll click the close header and footer button in the close group. So we'll close that header footer, and we'll go ahead and hit our save key there. And we notice that we have page numbers in the bottom right hand corner of our pages now. Wonderful. I'll close this. And we'll go to 7 of 8. And we're going to go ahead and click on the Insert tab if we're not there already. Insert tab. Click the header button in the header footer group insert area, header. And we're going to go to our blank. And we're going to go ahead and type in Health Services. So that way this will appear on every single page. We're going to go ahead and close that. Double check my health services. Again, we'll see that on our second page as well since it is in the heading. And we'll hit our save key. It's saved. Close that and move to the last one. We're going to go ahead and insert confidential as a pre-designed watermark. We're going back to our design tab. We're going to go on to the watermark area, all right, in the background group. So let me move this over here, background group. Here is our watermark option, and we're going to choose confidential number 1. All right, so confidential watermark, nice and readable through there, kind of cool. And we'll close that. I use watermarks a lot for drafts and stuff like that, so great to use. Your bosses will like it. And now we are going to check our answers and see how we did. All right, we did very well. So again, we're rocking and rolling. We are now kind of through our Word project exams. Thank you very much for hanging out with me. Again, thank you for being my students. I really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you have learned something in Microsoft Word, and we'll see you in Excel. It won't be long. All right, see you guys later.